Hello, in this video we are going to see how to perform the initial configuration of a solid server. So once the appliance has booted, we do directly connect to the console system. Using the quick start menu, we will configure now the network interface. Its name is EM0, and now we set the IP address, we set the net mask, and then we set the default gateway. We need to commit this configuration since it will change network access of the appliance. So we need to validate first. So with this configuration, we'll be able to use the graphical interface afterwards. Now we do configure the time zone in order to have the appropriate time and date on the appliance, which is located in Singapore. So we select Asia, and then we go down in the list of the countries to Singapore. Here we are. Okay, and now finally we change the password to get access to the console. We directly use the shell and the password command, the Unix command directly, and then we enter our password for the root console access, and then we are good.